Welcome everyone, hope you all doing great. So today we will talk about from where should I start to become a web developer. If you ever asked yourself that question, this video is made for you. At first we need to learn front-end. So we have HTML, which provides the structure of pages, and CSS to change the style, the colors, and the position of the items. Then we have JavaScript. It is the most popular programming language used to create interactive effects within web browsers. And for the second step, we have JavaScript and CSS frameworks, Bootstrap for CSS, React and Angular for JavaScript, and there is more others, but those are the most popular. So for the back end, you have to choose programming language like Python, Node.js, PHP, then pick a database to learn. It's so important to know a database for dynamic websites. You have also to learn frameworks according to the language you picked. As a final step, you have to learn Git and GitHub, where you can host your code, and finally Postman is where you can test your backend. So we want you to know that we will do HTML courses on our channel, so stay tuned.